In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to build a web app from scratch using Base44. Let's get started. I begin on the home screen where I'm asked what I'd like to build next. In the prompt box, I'm typing a request for an interactive fitness routine generator with a search bar, level selector, and clean results cards. Once I hit the arrow, the AI starts planning the app instantly. On the left sidebar, I can see it's already organizing the features, design palette, and all the necessary components like the home page and individual workout cards. It's now writing the code for the styles, configurations, and every functional element of the site. My new app, FlexGen, is ready for a preview. It features a professional modern design where users can input their specific goals and select a fitness level. To make sure everything is perfect, I'll head over to the dashboard to look at the project structure. Under the code files, I can see all the generated folders for the API pages and hooks. I can even click through the source code to see how the home page and styling were constructed. Everything looks great, so I'll head back to the preview and hit publish. I'm setting the app visibility to public and clicking the publish button. Just like that, my app is live with its own URL. I'll copy the link and open it in a new tab to see the final result. The interface is clean and fully responsive. To test it out, I'll type arm thin into the search bar and hit generate. The AI quickly produces a customized workout plan called Sculpt Your Arms, complete with a duration, calorie estimate, and a detailed list of exercises like push-ups and bicep curls. It even includes helpful pro tips at the bottom for the best results. And that's how you build a fully functional web app in minutes with Base44. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.